Skin cycling, the beauty routine revolution taking over 2025. In 2025, the buzzword in skincare is skin cycling, a minimalist, science-backed routine that optimizes product usage and improves skin health without overwhelming your complexion. Rooted in dermatological science and made viral through skincare influencers, this routine is ideal for those seeking effective results without complicated regimens. Unlike the 10-step Korean skin hair trend that reigned in the 2010s, skin cycling focuses on doing less, but doing it right. At its core, it's a rotating 4-night routine that strategically alternates active ingredients and rest periods. This approach allows your skin to benefit from powerful products like retinoids and exfoliants while still preserving your skin barrier. With more people prioritizing sustainable, skin-friendly routines and simplifying their beauty shelves, skin cycling fits the 2025 health-conscious narrative perfectly. It's less about hoarding products and more about using fewer, higher-quality essentials that actually work. Night 1 in the skin cycling regimen is exfoliation night. This is where you apply a chemical exfoliant like an AHA, glycolic or lactic acid, or BHA, salicylic acid, after cleansing. These exfoliants slough off dead skin cells, unclog pores, and pave the way for deeper product penetration in the following nights. The trick is to use exfoliants moderately. Too much can cause irritation, redness, and a damaged skin barrier. In the 2025 world of precision skincare, less is truly more. After applying the exfoliant, users are advised to follow with a calming, hydrating moisturizer. This helps to replenish the skin and lock in moisture without interfering with the chemical exfoliation. Brands are now offering pre-formulated exfoliation night kits designed for this very step, making it easier for beginners to get started. Skinfluencers often stress that this night should never be combined with other actives like retinoids to avoid overexfoliation. Night 2 is retinoid night, arguably the powerhouse of the cycle. Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A and are proven to accelerate cell turnover, fade dark spots, reduce fine lines, and even prevent acne. In 2025, new generation retinoids are available in gentler, more stable formulations, making them accessible even to sensitive skin types. After cleansing, users apply a pea-sized amount of retinoid serum or cream to dry skin. Moisturizer is layered on top to buffer potential irritation, a practice known as the retinoid sandwich method. Dermatologists recommend avoiding exfoliation on this night, since combining retinoids with acids can lead to inflammation. For podcast listeners looking to start this routine, many professionals suggest beginning with retinol, a weaker over-the-counter form, before graduating to tretinoin or adapalene. With consistency, retinoid night can transform skin texture and deliver a youthful glow, a major reason why it remains a top beauty trend. Nights 3 and 4 are recovery nights, and they are just as critical as the active ingredient nights. These evenings focus entirely on healing and hydration. The skin is in repair mode, recovering from the exfoliation and retinoid treatments. The recommended products for these nights include hydrating serums with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides, paired with rich, nourishing moisturizers. Some enthusiasts also incorporate face oils and barrier creams to amplify the effects. Recovery nights are a testament to the idea that beautiful skin is healthy skin, not skin constantly bombarded by actives. In 2025, skin recovery has become so important that many brands are launching dedicated recovery-only lines which exclude all potential irritants. Podcasts, blogs, and even dermatology TikToks emphasize that skipping this step is a mistake that could undermine the whole routine. When followed correctly, recovery nights allow the skin to reset and emerge visibly more radiant by the next cycle. Skin cycling is more than just a trend. It's a skincare philosophy designed to give your skin what it needs when it needs it, in a culture shifting toward mindful wellness and sustainable routines. This method strikes a powerful balance between effectiveness and simplicity. As 2025 unfolds, skin cycling continues to gain traction, not just for its results, but for its alignment with the slow beauty movement. It represents a thoughtful, deliberate approach to skincare, one that values consistency over chaos and healing over haste. This revolution in skincare isn't about fast fixes. It's about working with your skin rather than against it. For podcast creators and beauty enthusiasts alike, skin cycling offers a rich, visual, and informative narrative perfectly suited to audio storytelling and compelling poster art.